Hello, I'm Abhishek from FTMania Institute, and in this video we are going to discuss set 6 of our must solve question series. The question is, a leading magazine conducted a survey of 4B schools, and the name of the schools were S1, S2, S3 and S4, and the survey was based on 4 different parameters, P1, P2, P3 and P4. In the survey, they awarded some points to the B schools on different parameters. Sum of the points distributed to all the B schools in parameter is equal for all the parameters. So for example, the sum of the points awarded, so the total of this value P1 for S1, S2, S3 and S4, let the total be X. Then this will be same for all the parameters. So basically the value of all the P4 parameters will be the sum of all these values, the sum of all these values, the sum of all these values has to be same. The total of P1, total of P2, total of P3 and P4 are same. So this is what the condition is. Then further, in every parameter, point got by the 4 schools are in the form of 4 different APs. So they are forming arithmetic progression. In any one of the 4 parameters, B school getting highest point is ranked 1. This was understood. And the one getting the lowest point is ranked 4. It is also known that in any parameter, all the B schools were awarded distinct points. So all the points were distinct. So all these rows and the columns will have distinct values. S3 was awarded 20 points in P1. So S3 was awarded 20 points in P1 and its rank is 3 in this parameter. So this is the third highest value. This is third highest, we can say. Fine. Further, points awarded to any B school in any of the 4 parameters in non-negative integers. These are non-negative integers. So these were the conditions that were given to us. Now, the question is, what could be the minimum total number of points got by any B school? So this is the question. Fine. Conditions जो भी थी हमने देख ली हैं और question is कि minimum total क्या possible है for any of the B school. Now see. The condition is the numbers in P1 will be forming an AP. In P2 also there will be an AP. Same goes for P3 and P4 as well. Now see, 20 is a particular number that is third highest number. So first highest, second highest and third highest is 20. This is given to us. And fourth highest. Now we can assume, see if we want to form an AP. So we can assume this to be 21, this to be 22 and this to be 19. So this will form an AP. Sorry. Further, we can assume the values to be 15, 20, 25 and 30. This will also form an AP. Fine. So we have a lot many options. 10, 20, then 30 and 40 will also form an AP. But what we need to do is we need to find the minimum number, total number of points given to any B school. So for this, let us do one thing now. Let us assume the fourth highest to be 0 only. It is always better to give minimum possible points. Fine. If we want to minimize the total, तो basically हम जितने कम से कम points दे सकते हैं उतने देने चाहिए. So 0 भी तो दिया जा सकता है. It will also form an AP 0, 20, 40 and 60. Now this is an AP and the total becomes 120. And since we know that the total for all the 4 parameters are equal, so the total of P2 must also be equal to 120. And the same goes for P3 and P4 as well. Fine. So the total of all these parameters must be equal to 120. But the question still remains. P2 की values कैसे fill की जाए? How can we fill the value of P3? How can we fill the values of P4? So let us do one thing for that. Now, as we know that the total has to be 120. And this is sum of 4 terms of an AP. So let us use the formula of sum of n terms of an AP. And the sum of n terms of an AP is given by n by 2 first term plus last term. Fine. So sum is 120. Number of terms is 4. In each of the case, the number of terms is 4 only. Divide by 2 and first term plus last term. Now this gives us A plus L must be equal to 60. Fine. Now for value of A 0, we have already taken the value of A as 0. Now let us move to value of A as 1. And this last term is nothing but 4th term only. And we know that the value of 4th term of an AP is A plus 3D. First term, let us assume that the first term is 1. Or let me generalize this first. Let us assume that the first term is A only. And last term is A plus 3D. Since this is 4th term. And this total must be equal to 60. Fine. So this becomes 2A plus 3D must be equal to 60. Further, let us now assume that value of a is 1. अब a1 होता है तो 3d becomes 58, but then d won't be an integer in this particular case. तो हम a को 1 assume नहीं कर सकते. Now let us assume a to be 2, so 3d equal to how much? 2 assume किया तो this become 56, which again is not an integer when we need to find the value of d. So 56 divided by 3 will not give us an integer. So this is also not possible. Now a equal to 3, so 3 will become 3d equal to, it will become 6 minus करते हैं तो 54. Now d from here comes out to be 18. This will form an AP. So if I suppose the first term to be 3 and the common difference is 18, so the next term will be 21, then 39 and then 57. And you can check the sum will be 120 only. तो yes, see, अभी जो हमने पहले केसेस देखे थे जो हम अज्यूम कर रहे थे कि 10, 20, 30, 40 भी तो AP बनेगा, राइट? बट देन उसमें मिनिमम टर्म कितना आ रहा था? 10. केवल एक पैरामीटर में. अभी हमने देखा कि दो पैरामीटर का सम करें तो भी इट इज 3 ओनली. So this is in any case much better than this. Fine, 0 लेना हमेशा better रहेगा. So now let us move to the third P3 parameter. Now again the condition remains the same. A plus 3D must be equal to 60. Fine. Now we have checked for the values of A as 1, 2 and 3. Now let us move to value of A as 4. Although from here we can take a hint. 0 के बाद 3 पर repeat हो रहा है, तो the next value must be getting repeated at 6 only. यहाँ पर 6 आना चाहिए. But let us check for a equal to 4. एक बार check करते हैं क्या आता है. So when a is equal to 4, this becomes 8. So 3d becomes 52. Again, 52 is not divisible by 3, so this value is not possible. When we take a is equal to 5, so this becomes 10, and 3d becomes a equal to 5, so 3d becomes 50, which again is not divisible by 3. 50 is not divisible by 3, right? So this is also not possible. Now let us take a is equal to 6. Now we know that this must be the correct value. So 2a becomes 12. So 3d is equal to 48, and d from here comes out to be 16. अब d 16 आ गया और first term is 6. So what we can say is the AP is 6. Adding 16 will get 22. Adding 16 again will get 38. 16 again will get 54. Now you can check the sum of all the numbers is again 120 only. Fine. अभी हम यहां से भी कह सकते हैं कि 0, 3, 6 है तो next should be 9 only. If we take a is equal to 9, so this 9 into 2 becomes 18. So 3d becomes equal to 42, or d from here comes out to be 42 divided by 3, which is nothing but equal to 14. So if first term is 9, then the common difference must be 14. So the next term becomes 23, then it becomes 37, and then it becomes 51. Now, what was the question? What could be the minimum total number of points got by the B school? Now the minimum, we have always given the minimum value to school as 4. So the sum of all these values, the minimum value possible is nothing but 18. So the correct answer to this question is 18. So I hope this question must be clear to all of you. In case you have any queries, you can get back to us. Fine. Thank you so much for watching the video.